Using a digital wallet can simplify your financial transactions and make them more convenient. The Chase Digital Wallet is a great option for those who want to make payments quickly and securely. To get started with the Chase Digital Wallet, first ensure you have a Chase account and a compatible device. Next, download the Chase mobile app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Chase account using your username and password. If you do not have a Chase account, you can sign up for one through the app. After logging in, navigate to the Digital Wallet section of the app. Here, you can add your Chase credit or debit card to the digital wallet. You will need to verify your card details and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your card is added, you can start using the digital wallet to make payments. To do this, simply select the digital wallet option when checking out at a participating merchant. You can use the digital wallet in stores, online, or in apps. For in-store transactions, look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout terminal. Hold your device near the terminal to initiate the payment. You may be prompted to authenticate the transaction with a password or fingerprint. For online transactions, select the digital wallet option at checkout and follow the prompts to complete the payment. The digital wallet will store your card details securely, so you do not need to enter them every time you make a payment. To get the most out of the Chase Digital Wallet, make sure to keep your device and app up to date. This will ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. Also, be aware of the merchants that accept the digital wallet, as not all merchants may participate. In addition to making payments, the Chase Digital Wallet also provides a range of other features, including transaction tracking and spending alerts. You can view your transaction history and receive notifications when a payment is made. Overall, the Chase Digital Wallet is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps, you can start using the digital wallet today and take advantage of its many benefits.